It's a great day for couples painting with Patty and him from Patricia's Art Emporium. Hi everybody, thanks for coming into our home. We hope you'll enjoy this video. I'm working with a canvas that was painted yellow and then painted different colors.
A fine design.
Huh?
What a fine design.
Yeah. Fine design. This
fine
is
design.
And I'm going to do something. Hopefully it comes out good. Ready?
I am. I'm ready. Oh, pretty colors, huh?
Mess.
I guess you probably could put a little bit more orange down, huh?
No, I actually don't like the orange that much. So.
Oh!
Oh, you mean to be able to pull it out though?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
But it's okay. No, it's okay. No, look, this is doing nice here. I like the way it looks. It's reflecting nice. Flower power.
I see what you're saying. There's no orange in there then. Now,
Well, it's okay. You probably let it dry and then add another color to the middle. I like the openings here to show you other pattern from down below.
I think that's all I have to do for
Do
now.
you need
Right?
this one pulled out a little more or no?
This one?
This one here. Because it looks like it kind of ends, I don't know.
So you want me, which I put some paint in there?
No, just pull it back down again a little more, that's all.
That didn't work.
There you go. Okay.
Do you think I need to put one there or no?
I don't know, maybe you could go a skinny one. Well, I hate to see you cover up all your
I know.
pattern you have
Yeah.
underneath. It's up to you. I would leave it now. Maybe you
Yeah.
do another color a little later and something like that. And
Okay. And it's okay to leave this paint like that
yeah,
around it?
sure, that'd dry nice.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys. That's all I'm going to do today.
Did you tell them this is all metallic colors again?
No, let me tell them what colors I'm using. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I'm in a funk today. Okay, so I don't even know. Did we say hello and all that stuff before?
I don't know. Hello.
Hello. I think we did. Okay, I used Art Minds Mystical. metallic, I used Art Mind's metallic First Kiss.
First Kiss.
Yep, I used Artist Loft metallic orange, and I used Art Mind's multi-surface galactic. Excuse me.
Pardon. Holy moly.
Galactic. This is the first step of this, and hopefully it'll come out good and dry good, and we'll see what else I decide to do afterwards. Okay. Thanks, guys, for watching. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And bang the bell to be notified of new videos. Share with all your friends, family, neighbors, and coworkers. Check out our paintings on eBay at Patricia's Art Emporium. Also check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. This is Patty and him doing couples painting at Patricia's Art Emporium, saying thanks again for watching. Please be kind to one another and enjoy each moment of every day. Peace.
Bye-bye.
Okay, so this is what I did yesterday, and I let it dry, and now I'm going to add on to this. I'm going to use Art Mind's Mysterious.
Yeah, somewhere around there, yeah. Yeah, good deal. Okay, I think today I might finish this picture up, Patty.
You think so?
I might. Yeah, it's been many days now, and many thoughts of colors, and we kind of decided we're going to add a little yellow to it today, and put the name on it, and that's it. Picture did start off as Patty's picture. It was
Rub it in.
a yellow. It was a total yellow canvas in the beginning. You can see.
I know.
I'm going to have to touch the edges up when I'm done here, but what we're going to do now is we're going to try adding some yellow, just yellow straight lines, or just yellow straight out of the bottle.
Brighten it a bit.
Lines just to brighten it a bit. No squishing them down or using the palette knife. So what we're going to use, I don't know if you can see this, if it focuses, but it's Color Shift.
Yellow Flash from Folk Art.
From Folk Art. Give it a shake. Got a little marble in the bottom of each bottle. Thank you, Priscilla. You learn so much by watching all you good artists on YouTube. So what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to put yellow out the areas where there's no blades of the, whatever they are. So let's see.
Good. You learned something new. I'm wondering if,
Wish we had a little smaller tip on this. You know, we can make a tip. Show you how to do this.
oh,
We
like
have,
that.
nope, not that one, I think we just adjusted one. We have some pipettes here. Pipettes. These are type of scissors. And if I was to cut off a tip of the pipette and slot, where'd it go? And take the tip of the pipette and slide it over this, yeah.
Does it fit?
Oh, sure. Then I get a much smaller point here. So
That's
first
gonna
thing I'm
have
going
to
to do
be,
is, this is too big for me. I'm just going to wipe it right off.
That's gonna have to be a separate video. Really? I've never seen anybody use that before.
Now, well, we'll see how it works, okay? Oh, see. Try to find where I'm going. I'm not this.
You've been missing the Lazy Susan.
I have been missing the Lazy Susan. It's like 8 feet away from me. You think I would have...
I know, but it's... Since your back always hurts, it's...
Oh, I lost it.
Excuse me.
I lost my little funnel.
You could probably tape it on there too. If you were going to do it for a long period.
Well, you know, if you don't put too much pressure, I think I was putting a little too much pressure, and what I was doing is I was squeezing it right off the end.
I think it's brightening it up.
Nice thing about it too is it bends, so you can
I
just
see that, yeah.
see as you put it down, just kind of bend it where you're looking to go. Try not to stick my finger in them and be all set, right?
Of course, you can always use these things.
Ah!
I just said that about taping it.
It's okay.
That's what they make.
Wet rags for.
Exactly.
Let me just get rid of that
You
one
want
because
to have a little piece of tape, so
no.
no.
Ooh. Hey, look at that. That was a good idea.
Yeah.
I think I'll just leave that there.
Yeah, I would leave it there. Looks cool there.
Okay, I have to stop squeezing so hard. Oh, hey, thanks, Susan.
Well, the Lazy fits.
I don't know about that. Okay, there's some yellow.
You want to use a torch for any bubbles? Because I see there's bubbles there.
Tiny bubbles. Bubbles?
Oh, no. I always say it and then I regret having said it.
What the hell was this guy thinking? You like it like this?
That's what I was thinking that way, yeah. How about you? Are you like it?
Well, I don't know. I could put my signature at a 45. That way, like I did on that other one.
Yeah.
That way they could put it one way or the other way.
Yeah, good
I
idea.
gotta see which way. Kind of like that direction. That direction and this direction. So if that's the case, then I got to put it over here. So let me just...
You were going to add more white.
Yes, I am. Just make a spot for my name there.
There we go.
Take the yellow. Let's try this now.
Good
I
luck.
haven't done any white yet, but let's see. Come on, baby.
Nice.
Okay, I'm going to add a little white here. Try not to
Oh,
touch
try not
the
to touch
picture.
the yellow in your
Get that
bracelets.
stupid chain out of the way. What do you think?
Yep,
Think?
I think so. I think it brightens it up a little bit.
Okay, well,
Great job, John. Wow, you
Rotate
made
it.
it look nice. Very nice. I like it now. I didn't like it before, but I like
I
it
don't know
now.
if you can see it all, but still very reflective.
It was like almost too
It's
reflective.
all, yeah, it's all metallics,
Now it's good.
color shifts. Okay,
Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and bang the bell to be notified of new videos. Share with all your friends, family, neighbors, co-workers, everybody. Just share away. Check out our paintings on eBay at Patricia's Art Emporium. Also, check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. This is him and Patty doing couples painting at Patricia's Art Emporium, saying thanks again for watching. Please be kind to one another and remember to enjoy each moment of every day. Peace. Looks nice, John. Good job.